Hi everyone, this is a very easy and small tutorial on how you can make group mails using Gmail. The first step would be opening Google Contacts. Opening Google Contacts will give you a list of all those contacts you can add either from frequently contacted or normally contacted. In order to select the contacts you want to add in a group, just click on the left check boxes. Here, we will be selecting randomly the people we want to add in a group. Once you have selected the people that you want to add into the group, click on Manage Labels at the top. Here, click on the option of Create Label and you can give any name that you want to that group. For example purposes, we are giving the name VR1. Once you have decided the name, click on the option of Save. Now, open a new tab and open your Gmail account. Click on Compose Mail. Once you've clicked on Compose Mail and the Compose Mail option or pop-up appears, in the recipient option, you can just add the name of the group that you have just created. This will open all the mails of the members that were added in that group. You can add anything in the subject or anything in the body of the mail that you want to share collectively with all the members of the group. Once you've decided on everything, just click on Send. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to create a group. To assure that we have sent the mail to everyone, we are trying to show you in the video how it has been done. You'll see that all the members have been sent the same mail. Alright guys, we hope this tutorial was helpful. Have a good day ahead.